Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert arrows in WPS Office. If you would like to do it, you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you will find here something like shapes. We need to click on it, and then we have multiple options to insert the arrow. For example, if you would like to add right arrow, you can select this one option. On the lines it is block arrows, we need to click on it, and then I press and hold left mouse button somewhere here, and I press and hold shift on my keyboard. Then this arrow will be straight, so for example I'm going to draw it somewhere here, and how you see first arrow has been successfully created here. Of course you can select it and then you can modify the line. For example, I click on solid line, so this line will be successfully changed. You can modify outline, for example I click here green, and if you would like to try different arrows you need to go to insert, you need to go to shapes. And for example, I'm going to select here one from few available block arrows. So I select here arrow right, and I will draw it somewhere here. So it is the different style of arrow, which you can use in WPS Office. You can change here the fill. For example, I will select here green 2. So you can compare these two arrows. And the last arrow I recommend you to know is in the Insert tab too. So I go to Insert, I go to Shapes. And I recommend you to check this one arrow, stripped right arrow. I click on it and then I draw here a simple arrow, maybe something like that. This style is really great too, but I think it will be better visible if I will change the size of this arrow. I can press and hold shift and then I can draw it. Then you'll be able to see this effect, which I wanted you to show. So in this way you can easily create arrows in WPS Office. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.